We're called a converter. We're a custom fabricator. We're fabricating, we're die cutting, we're kiss cutting, we're rotary cutting, we're laminating adhesives to material. All for a custom gasket or insulation types of applications. Could be a weather seal, it could be electrically conductive types of materials where it's going to go on an enclosure. Some vibration damping type applications, a little bit everything under the sun. It's a lot of parts that nobody ever sees or knows that they even need sometimes. Hi, I'm Scott Yeto with American Flexible Products, and we're a custom fabricator of foam, rubber, and sponge material. So we don't make any of the raw materials. We buy the raw materials. Typically they're in sheet form or in roll goods, and we'll fabricate them. So we'll take a sheet of material and we'll laminate adhesive to one side or two sides of it, and we do things like kiss cutting or rotary cutting, which this is an example of. Very high volume type of an application there where we're talking, 50,000 parts or more, that sort of thing. But we also can do kiss cutting where we're only doing maybe 5,000 parts at a time or 20,000 parts at a time. And kiss cutting is simply where we're cutting through all the material but not the paper release liner backing. So it's a very convenient way of supplying parts because then your operators can handle the parts very quickly. So one of the other unique things that we do in the die cutting, kiss cutting realm is doing what we call a die cut kiss cut combination, and that's what this is an example of. Number one, it's a 3M VHB product, one that 3M's very proud of and we do a lot of work with. It's all adhesive. So underneath this red liner is a layer of adhesive, and it's different thicknesses. But what we do is we die cut the part and then we kiss cut through all the material but not the peel off release liner. What the customer does is peel off the red liner and they flip it over and they use these holes in the flanges that we kiss cut onto there to place the part accurately onto their equipment and do it consistently. We work with a plethora of materials, so we work with adhesives, the foam, foils, thin gauge plastics as well. A lot of these foils here are electrically conductive materials. We'll typically laminate them to other foam materials and or plastics for that matter to create some sort of electrically conductive path. You don't have to know anything about foam, rubber, plastic, or adhesives. We're the experts. Ask us and we'll lead you the right direction. Finding solutions, that's the name of the game for us. So this is our sample card we start off with, we work with. Gives us a good starting cross-section of a lot of materials that we deal with. We've got closed cell materials, open cell, flex mount on the bottom. Here's a recycled tire material actually. So you're looking for some green product, that works real well. It can be supplied with or without adhesive. We cut it down to whatever specific thickness you need and then die cut it or slit it to width. We'll take a sheet of foam, laminate the adhesive to it, and we'll turn it into a roll of foam tape. This is a high-density urethane with adhesive on one side. We do quantities anywhere from prototypes on up to high production. So we work with some pretty high-performance materials as well. This is an example of a closed-cell silicone foam with adhesive on one side. Here are some others, cut them in many different sizes and shapes. Here's another silicone foam, same type. Another with a reinforced aluminum foil. Silicone on the backside. So the silicones can handle very low temperatures, minus 70 degrees on up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're very high performance material. So we're looking forward to working with you on your next project. Please contact us.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.